Okay, back doing another one of these bad fingered reviews. So, if you've seen my other videos, this is the second time I'm trying to do this, but I wanted to start watching YouTube using Emacs, so not to get sucked down rabbit holes and get distracted. So I started using EL feed, but there's a lot of things that was missing from that. One of the things is that sometimes you want to be able to search. So I found a pretty cool package. Oh, let's get this back open. And there's a package called ivy-YouTube. And I've already installed it because I tried doing this before, and it asks for you need to get an API key. So that you're going to have to go into Google. You can go to the website here, and they'll give you an explanation how to do it. So pretty easy stuff. So I'll show you how I configured it. That's got it installed. And the first time it will say you don't have your API key set up, so you can do describe a variable ivy-YouTube key. I'm not going to hit enter here, but if you do, you can customize the variable. And if you have this set up like I do, then your customizations will get saved to a separate customization file, which does not get put into which is not getting checked into GitLab or GitHub or wherever you're using, so it'll keep your API key safe. Okay, so that's the way I recommend doing that. Now let's take a look at how this works. Not that, sorry. Thanks. YouTube. And we can do Emacs Is Great. And here we have some great videos about Emacs. Now let's see if it was give me any extra stuff here. No. Now what's going to happen here? Is where to go. So again, it will open now. How it's configured out of the box is it will open these up in my browser, and that's not what I want to do. So there is some configurations we can do. So let's do config. Let's take a look at how that does. So. I'm going to get help on the function ivy-YouTube, and then we can jump into the definition of the. Yeah, it shows us. Let's see. Now we want to here ivy-YouTube play a browser. Oh, this is neat. You can have it have a history file. Wonder if it's going to keep a history of what you played. All right, but this is what I'm most interested in is the play at. So get back to here and ivy-YouTube play at. Okay. Set. Set Q. There's another way to setting it using the config, but okay. So let's see. What do we set Q? Ivy YouTube play at. What's wrapper do? Play out. Now let's see if this works. We want to use MP3. Okay, and now let's try it again. Ivy YouTube. YouTube. Yeah. Let's see. Try this one. MPV. Starting. It says it's supposed to be starting, but I don't see anything running. Oh no, what happened? So let's check out the buffer there. Weird. And now this locked up. With the long lines problems with Emacs. So let's try again. Close the buffer. Try this one. Now we're gonna have to see why this is not working. Same thing, same problem. Ivy-YouTube. "403 forbidden." That's weird. Let's see if using my function it'll work. So let's try this. And what do we do is MPV. So there seems to be some issue now that YouTube decided that it doesn't want me watching videos from Emacs. Funny. So let's try opening up in the browser and see what's going on then. See, what else can this be? Okay, I'm just gonna kill this. Again, and let's see, ivy-YouTube. Are my videos getting messed up? No, it's still using MPV. Customize variable. Can I? Yeah, I saw that. ivy-YouTube. There. Now it should be. Oof. Nope, that's not going to work either. For sure, not that. Okay, let's erase this. Should be browser. That should be the default. Change it back to browser. All these ones that I want to get that are supposed to be a quick video. Okay, trying this again. So that works. So I want to be able to consume YouTube videos. See, it's opened up in my browser. I'm using Emacs, so I don't have to go into the YouTube. Weird. So I'm gonna try and figure out what's going on here. Did YouTube maybe block me from watching videos? So let's copy this. And let's go back to Emacs here. Let's get in the shell and see what's going on. Oh, MPV. That's the video. What's going on here? Wow, what is all this garbage? So it seems like MPV stopped being able to look at YouTube videos. Now that's weird. See, that still works. Wonder why MPV doesn't work anymore. So, this is theoretically a nice way to do it. I could always use YouTube download to pipe it in MPV. But MPV should be able to do it itself. So I'm going to try and figure out what's going on here, and I will let you all know what happens. Why doesn't it work? Okay, call to.